Hello mga kasip James, tayo ay magluluto ng breaded chicken. So this is my own recipe. So this is all the ingredients here. So I have breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, and 1 cup of milk, garlic salt, black pepper, and Worcestershire sauce, and sesame oil. So and the rest I mentioned already. So titimplahan ko siya, guys. Titimplahan na natin yung chicken, black pepper, salt, garlic salt. So tansya na lang, guys. It depends the chicken. So Worcestershire sauce, and sesame oil. So I put already all the ingredients. So halo-haloin natin, masa-masahin para kumapit yung lasa niya. And then pag nahalo na, so magbabati ako ng 2 eggs. So isusoko siya yung chicken. So magbati tayo ng 2 eggs. And then add 1 cup of milk. This is Homo milk. I think pwede rin siguro yung evaporated. Kaya lang nasanay akong gumamit ng Homo milk. So, ito na yung chicken na marinate. So, natimplahan. So, ito yung egg na binati ko yung with milk. So, ipopour ko siya dyan. And then, sit aside for half an hour or 1 hour. So, here is the chicken with season and egg and milk. So, ibabad ko siya ng half an hour. So, after half an hour, idadang ko siya sa breadcrumbs. At ilalagay ko siya dito. Ihilera. And bake for 350. Like about 30 minutes the other side and 30 minutes the other side. So, it depends. After half an hour, so